Hello, my name is Paul Victor and this is my submission for CS50W Project 1 Wiki. In this screencast, I will demonstrate all required features including viewing entries, creating new pages, editing existing pages using Markdown, random page selection, and the search functionality. Let's get started. As you can see, my URL displayed. I've already launched my server. So now, viewing an encyclopedia entries. The home page of my wiki project lists existing encyclopedia entries. Clicking on any entry takes me to that page. For instance, here I can see when I click on CS50, it takes me to that page and it displayed properly. So now let's talk about the search functionality. Now I will just demonstrate the search functionality. If I type in, take for instance Python, and I hit the enter button on my keyboard, it displays the Python page for me. So the same thing also when I type py, just py, and I hit the enter button, the search result also gives me Python as similar search for what I'm looking for. Now, creating a new page. If I try to create a new page, I can enter a title and content using Markdown. If the page already exists, I get an error. Take for instance, when I click on the create new page and I type let's say ICT in capital letter ICT, and using the hash string to indicate I want to make this ICT heading 1, and ICT is information. Yeah, I think I'm correct now. So, and then I can click on the save button and it will save properly. So this is ICT, yeah, displayed properly also. But now, so I'm going to try again and add a new page by clicking on create new page, and then I added the same ICT again, ICT, and then maybe without the content, let's just click on save. So you get an error. Please fill out this field, in which I also type the same thing I've typed before, ICT. So when I click on save, I get a page with this title already exists, so which means that also is functional. I'm going to click on ICT and I'll click on edit page. So from this page I'm going to try and add more information to it. Take for instance ICT support, and then I'm going to click on save. So we will see that the edited content has been displayed properly. So now, using Markdown, let's talk about using Markdown. I will go to home and then I'm going to click on CSS. We just edit the page so we can see what I use. The hash string for heading 1, and I also use the 2 asterisks starting and ending for both, and as well the bracket open bracket close for link to HTML, and they work perfectly as we can see. So this CSS is bold and the HTML link is also working fine. Now let's go back to home and talks about random page. So the random page button takes users to randomly selected encyclopedia entries. Let me click on it so we can see how it works. So when I click on it, it takes me to the Django. Again I click again, it takes me to CS50, and when I click again to Django, again to Python, and then CSS, it just randomly takes me to any entries in this Wikipedia page, website rather. Now, so this concludes my CS50W Wiki project demonstration. I have shown all the required functionalities including viewing entries, searching, creating and editing pages using Markdown, and the random page features. Thank you for watching. God bless you.